how to integrate PayPal for payment in Shopify. So this video will show you how you can accept payment with PayPal and how you can forward that payment to your own business PayPal account if you do so choose. So let's go ahead and do that. Now in your Shopify website, let's click settings and go to payments. There you go. And as you can see, we have already have PayPal as default. So let's go ahead and click activate PayPal. Now, fun fact here, if you do not want your email address to be associated with PayPal, so by default, Shopify will use your email for Shopify with PayPal too. So if you have different email on Shopify and on PayPal, I suggest you create a brand new PayPal account in for your Shopify store with different email. So I'm going to click activate over here for activating my PayPal Express checkout. Let's click activate. And it will prompt me to my PayPal website. And I'm gonna stop this video for the setup because it contains critical informations, and I'm going to skip all the way after I'm done following the steps that needed to do in PayPal. So see you in a few minutes. Okay, once you're done entering your email and password for PayPal, make sure you click agree and connect over here on this page. And there you go, we're done. So let's go back to Shopify. Alternatively, you can also set up automatic transfer for paying your payouts from Shopify to your PayPal account. But let's explore that in another example. So let's go ahead and go to Shopify by clicking go back to Shopify for now. And there you go. Now we have already linked our PayPal payment, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can create your PayPal, how you can integrate your PayPal. Now, for now, if we go to our online store, let's go to our online store and let's see the checkout page to check if we have already added PayPal as a payment method. So let's go to our PayPal and go to catalog and let's go to our checkout page. Okay, what we want to do is to open our checkout page to check again if PayPal has already added our PayPal as a payment method. All right, there you go. But I think this is because I haven't subscribed to Shopify. But as you can see, I think PayPal will be listed over here as one of the payment methods on your checkout page. Be sure that it happens. If not, then I think we need to reset and deactivate and reactivate the Shopify payment method again. And in this case, it's PayPal. Now, another thing that I want to show you is how you can create, how you can see analytics for your PayPal and how you can bulk transfer your payments from Shopify to your PayPal account. So let's click Add Apps and click Shopify App Store. And let's take a look at what we have in store. And if we go and search PayPal, I am pretty sure we can find a lot of good apps. There you go. You can use Track Your PayPal tracking sync. You can track PayPal, and this is actually approved by PayPal, as you can see. There are a lot of applications, but usually they are meant to be as analytics, and they have an addition to the analytics function, but the basic functionality will be PayPal sync Now, as you can see, we have two apps here that have free plan. So let's check it out. I think I'm going to choose this one because it is built for Shopify. Sync Track PayPal Tracking Sync. Let's do that. Let's click this Sync Track app and let's click install. Now, the good thing about this app again is it can sync PayPal and Stripe. So if you have both PayPal and Stripe as your payment method, then you can use them both. But I figure if you have Stripe already set up, I think you can also set up your PayPal inside of Stripe and just sync Stripe to Shopify store. So let's click install over here on the Sync Track PayPal tracking. So let's go ahead and go to the app settings, and I'm going to tell you how we can set up this application. So ready to build PayPal stressed. Let's do a few steps to configure account. Okay, so let's configure our account. First, to connect PayPal account, we don't have any problem doing that. We have already done that beforehand, so this should be good to go. All right, I'm going to skip because it contains sensitive information. So I'm going to skip this and see you in a few seconds. All right, there you go. You just have to click agree and we have it synced. There you go. Oh, apparently yeah, it's not been added. Okay, so anyway, so let's go to and subscribe to receive more insights. This is the services that you want to be used by SyncTrack. They have updates, hot deals, monthly reports, payment and dispute tips. I think we're going to check all. Let's go to the next step and sync old orders. I don't want to sync old orders, but maybe you want it to be maybe you want it. By the way, if you do all of those the setups correctly, I think we are good to go. Now let's see the features that this app has. So as you can see, they have summary right down here, but I haven't made any, like my store hasn't been running, so it doesn't have any purchases, and thus maybe the analytics will be not worth to view. So let's see the examples they have in the app. They can connect to unlimited PayPal.Stripe account. I see. All right, there you go. Now in the summary, the one we saw over here, we should see the fulfilled orders, PayPal and Stripe orders, other gateways. Now it does have analytics for you to explore, and this is what I meant by you can have a good understanding for your purchases. Now, as you can see, it has graphs even, and that's why I think it's worth it to have an analytics app for your PayPal. If you especially if you do payouts, especially if you pay if you pay third party using PayPal and Shopify, I think it's important to keep track of your PayPal payments from Shopify so that you know how and is it still worth it to use PayPal for your account specifically. So that is all from my video. I hope you have a good time. Thank you very much.